As a landscape pro, we know you're busy. Delegating routine admin tasks, like placing orders, frees up more time to focus on growing your business while empowering your team with new responsibilities. And now, users who aren't admins can submit orders for approval through SiteOne.com and the SiteOne mobile app. On the team member management dashboard, you'll now be able to select new permissions for each user. First, please contact customer support for these permissions to become enabled. Once this is done, team members will see modified messaging when placing an order. Now, the Place Your Order button will read, Submit for approval. After it's submitted, all account admins will receive an email confirmation. Admins will also start receiving notifications under a new section on their account dashboard. To approve an order, click Approve Orders under the Orders column. Here, all pending orders will be listed by the date of submission. Select the order number to see full details. You'll then have the option to accept or reject it. No matter the selected decision, admins will have the opportunity to add comments that will then be sent to the team member to review. And if a team member doesn't have the PO number when placing an order, the admin can add the number and submit it before approval. Once the order gets the green light, it will be sent to and filled by your local SiteOne branch. Having field operators and project managers request orders can expedite their access to necessary materials while giving you the final say. This feature will only be available to a select list of accounts at launch. Reach out to customer support to enable permissions at SiteOne.com/contact us.